my future self, I'm so proud of you for being so strong to make your dreams come true. Because of your sadness, every time na may mga anime or anime characters na di na pinapalabas sa TV, nangarap kang maging voice artist. Voice Sachi was just a hashtag sa bawat TikTok voice acting challenge na sinusubukan mo. Now it's your official voice brand name. It's kind of funny na talagang pininindigan natin ang tawag na Versace whenever we meet new people. Voice Sachi, Versace. Sounds like? I know it will not be easy, self. But please don't give up. At huwag mong kakalimutan, bakit ka nangarap maging voice artist, maging boses ng anime, at maging voice artist in other language, at kung paano ka napapakilig kapag pinag-uusapan ng voice acting. At always remember, mas nagiging special ang bagay pag pinaghihirapan. Lagi mo tatandaan, mata sa langit, paa sa lupa. Huwag mong ipagdamot ang boses if someone needed it, as long as in a good way. All of your plan will happen if you always have a student heart, always open to concrete criticism. Don't be afraid to take a risk, and don't let your scare and rejection stops you. You are already in the right family. And I believe CVAP got your back.